Honda offers custom styling kits to redefine the ZR-V's identity. Honda has introduced a series of aesthetic and functional upgrades for the 2027 ZR-V in Japan, signaling a move to give owners more control over their vehicle's visual identity. Most notably, the manufacturer is offering a way for customers to undo the bold design language of the standard model through a comprehensive official accessories catalog. Redesigning the face of the ZR-V, the standard 2027 ZR-V features a prominent vertical slat grille that defines its aggressive stance. However, for those who prefer a more understated look, Honda Access has released the premium-style body kit. This kit fundamentally changes the vehicle's front profile by replacing the toothy vertical grille with a cleaner horizontal layout. Key elements of this aesthetic overhaul include a dusk gray metallic trim strip set against a Berlina black background, an aluminum-style finish on the splitter, side skirts, and rear diffuser, optional Berlina black inserts for the front bumper and tailgate garnish, a matching roof spoiler to complete the streamlined silhouette. This shift in design moves the ZR-V away from its aggressive current look and closer to the more restrained, sophisticated styling seen in previous generation CR-V models, enhancing stance and utility beyond mere aesthetics. Honda is offering hardware upgrades that affect both the vehicle's presence and its practical utility. To improve the SUV's road presence, a set of 19-inch gunpowder black alloy wheels is available, providing a more planted and stable appearance. For the new cross-touring trim, which adopts design cues from the US spec HR-V, Honda is offering rugged door moldings. These are specifically designed to complement the trim's unique side skirts, which function similarly to side steps, leaning into a more adventurous, off-road-inspired aesthetic. A deep catalog of personalization, the accessories list extends far beyond the exterior, allowing owners to customize the cabin environment and technological capabilities. Interior and technology ambient lighting, extensive illumination options for the footwells, cup holders, center console, and even the inside of the tailgate. Tech upgrades, an 11.4-inch gathers Honda navigation system and an 8-speaker audio upgrade. Practicality, waterproof seat covers, pet-friendly accessories, and specialized floor mats luggage trays. Performance and detail mechanical tuning. The Yamaha Performance Damper Set stands out as the only significant under-the-skin upgrade aimed at improving ride quality. Small details, blacked-out emblems, bicolor LED fog lights white and yellow, and various protective covers for mirrors and door handles. Pricing overview customization comes at a premium, with costs scaling based on the level of modification. Component approximate price, USD, premium style body kit, 19-inch gunpowder black wheels, 11.4-inch navigation system, Yamaha Performance Damper Set bicolor LED fog lights. This move by Honda highlights a growing trend in the automotive industry where manufacturers provide modular styling options, allowing a single model to serve both aggressive enthusiasts and those seeking a more conservative, premium look. Conclusion, by offering official kits to modify its own design, Honda is empowering ZR-V owners to bridge the gap between different styling preferences. This strategy allows the ZR-V to remain a versatile platform that can be tailored to suit either rugged adventure or urban sophistication.